INNIO's Jenbacher and Waukesha brands are harnessing the power of technology and engineering. We create the energy solutions the world is asking for. And we are solving an emerging problem. Regions and cities need strong economic growth, but they also want to replace carbon-emitting fossil fuels. Our innovation helps them to do both. The reality is that without renewable, there is no net zero. But people often say to me, renewable depend on the weather, and you can't build a grid that's truly stable on renewable alone. But with INNIO Solution, you can. Our dispatchable plants are up and running in under a minute. That makes them the perfect complement to renewables. In fact, uptake of renewable drives uptake of INNIO engines.
We recognized that the rapidly evolving energy landscape presented an opportunity for INNIO to be the best partner to future-proof our customers. They need engines that can run on traditional and innovative fuels. From landfill, sewage and biogas to newer carbon-free fuels such as hydrogen. And INNIO's engines are proven and do exactly that. They operate a technology that is emissions reducing today, but that also has a clear line of sight to operate emissions-free in the future. None of our competitors' products can do this today, and that's a critical differentiator.
The response from our customers has already been tremendous, and demand is growing right now, right around the world. INNIO solutions are driving the transition. We are using landfill gas in Istanbul, part of South Korea's first hydrogen power plant. In Thailand, we are partnering to integrate biomethane into the nation's fuel mix. And in Kiel, Germany, we have helped replace coal completely and save 70% CO2.
We recognize the importance of driving sustainability and ESG throughout the entire value chain in support of our long-term strategy. INNIO's ESG performance has been recognized for multiple years with top sustainability ratings globally. We created reporting transparency and significantly improved our KPIs while growing the business at the same time.
Looking ahead, we will continue expanding into new markets. We will meet our customers' needs right along the energy value chain. And we look forward to making progress together.